Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change phone number on HyperPay application. To change your phone number on HyperPay, first of all open up the HyperPay app from your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into HyperPay account as well, and once you're inside the homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. In the expanded menu, click on Security Center. Go to the phone number option under account setting and tap on it. Click on the Continue button after reading the instructions on the screen. It says that you will need to re-log in after changing your phone number, and for your safety reasons, withdrawals and transfers are prohibited within 24 hours after changing your phone number, and other operations are not affected. Click Continue to move forward, and then click on the Phone button. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you on your registered mobile number. Once you receive it, type it down in the text box and tap on the arrow at the bottom right. On the next page, update or change your phone number. Select your country code, enter your phone number, and click on the Send button right underneath the text box. Now an SMS verification code will be sent to your new mobile number. Soon after you receive it, go ahead and type it down in the text box. Finally, click on the blue arrow at the bottom right corner, and that way you will be able to change your HyperPay phone number. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update to a new phone number on HyperPay. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.